Hi, today I'm going to be doing a haul. So last weekend I went shopping. I went to a store called Rainbow and they just sell different clothes. They sell kids clothes, juniors clothes, plus size clothes. They also sell shoes, accessories, etc. So I'm going to be doing a girly haul and I'm going to be trying the items on. So let's do it. So here are the bags right here, and first I'm going to show the clothes. So I'm going to start off by showing you this white. I actually got like quite a few white tops because I think white and pink, they go very well together. So here's like this long sleeve white lace top, very cute. I got it in a size small and it is $5.99, so very affordable. And I'm going to be trying this on. My hoodie because the other one I was using wasn't working out with trying on things, so this is going to be easier to zip off of things. But the next top here is a little peplum top and it's also lace and it's strapless. It's cute. It's like a little baby doll peplum top. This one is $7.99 and I got it in a size small. And I think this would look really cute with some jean shorts or regular jeans, especially pink. That's why I got, like as I mentioned earlier, that's why I got quite a few white pieces because I wanted to pair it with pink. So I'm excited to wear this when it starts getting warm. Next I have this cute little high neck baby doll top, and it has not necessarily, I don't know if I would consider this to be it's a ribbon, and it ties into a bow. It's so cute. And this will look cute with some jeans. Like I think this will look really cute with a pair of baby pink jeans that I have, and I'm definitely going to be wearing this when it gets warm. It's a size small, and it is, well, it was $7.99, so very cute and very affordable and very girly. And of course it's on white lace. Next I have this cardigan. It's just a thin white lace cardigan. And I felt like I needed a new one because the other two that I have, they're more suitable for winter and fall. And this is like more suitable for spring and summer. And plus it will go with my outfits. So I thought this was cute. It's long, like it's almost floor length. This is a size small and it is $7.99, so once again very affordable, very cute. It also will work great as a swimsuit cover up too, like at the water park or the beach, but I'm probably going to wear this like it's more like a regular cardigan with regular outfits. I have the same shirt that I showed first in black because I saw this in black too, and I was thinking like at first I was debating on whether if I should get the black or the white, and I was like, how about I get both, because since they're basic colors they can go with all colors, but I would most likely wear this with a girly outfit as well with girly colors. So it's cute. It's a size small, $5.99. Just a cute basic lace black top. Next I have a pink item because I was looking for something pink and girly as well. So I have this this baby pink crop top that ties in the front, and it also has like, I don't know what it's called, but it like has like that design on it, and it's cute. And I think this will look really cute with the jeans, a skirt, or some shorts. And I'll be wearing this too when it gets warm. So I couldn't pass this up because it was too cute. So it's a size small. and it is $5.99, so affordable, cute girl. And then next I have this pink skirt, and it has one of those, I think it's called like I don't know if it's called ruching or a smock thing, but like you can like pull it up and the skirt gets a little bit shorter, but I'm not going to wear it like that. I'm going to wear it like this whenever I wear it. And I actually got this skirt in a size medium because I thought the small was going to be too tight on me, and I wanted to be like respectful. So it's a cute girly pink, baby pink skirt for the summertime. I like the little ruffles at the bottom, and this will look cute with the tops I've showed, because I kind of was thinking like this skirt would go cute with the white tops that I've got, maybe the black one too, but I think it would look cute with the white ones. This was $12.99. So next I have one, well, I've got two purses. Here's the first one. So this is a cute white little crossbody bag, a mini bag, and also you can take the straps off if, like, you want to, like, I guess wear it. It's like a little mini tote, but it's so cute. The little bow is what got me, like, it's so cute. And it's just like plain white with gold, wear it as a crossbody like this. And this bag was $12.99, so very affordable. It's something very cute, and I didn't take the little stuff out yet, but I'll do that soon. But cute bag. And then this next one, this one was really, like, I was so like excited about this next one, and it's definitely my personality. So it's this cute large pink tote, so cute, and it has this bow on it, and it has a little gold accent, and then also there's a gold zipper in it. This bag is pretty big, so I'll be able to fit a lot of stuff into it. And this one was $19.99, but you can't beat that price because this looks like something you will find in like a department store. It doesn't have like a specific brand, so I'm guessing it's just the Rainbow brand. But this, like, it kind of reminds me of those Betsy Johnson purses that were like big and they had like the bow on it. That's what it reminds me of. But this is so cute, and I'll definitely be wearing this a lot. So cute. And then lastly, not least, since this is like a spring haul, got some sandals. They're cute jelly sandals, and they have like these crystal well, they're beads, but like they look like crystal or opal, like kind of, and it's in the shape of a flower. And then the actual sandals, they're clear with silver glitter. Then they have rhinestones on the edges, and I'll definitely be wearing these when it gets warm. So cute. And these were $14.99, so very affordable. So I hope you all enjoyed my haul, my try on haul. It was kind of a little bit interesting to film, I'll say that, because it's like you constantly like trying on stuff, then getting back into the position you're in to show the next item. But I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope that this inspired you, like if you're looking for any fashion ideas for the spring or summer. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Bye.